Fractions in descending order. We are to arrange the following fractions in descending order. Remember that when you are to arrange a set of fractions in descending order, it means you have to write the biggest fraction first, followed by the next up until you get to the smallest fraction. To achieve this, here are some steps you should follow. First, find the LCM of the denominators The next thing you want to do is multiply the fractions by the LCM of the denominators. And then finally, arrange the result from biggest to smallest value. Now let's apply these steps to arrange this set of fractions in descending order. So the first step is to find the LCM of the denominators, right? So that would be 5, 3, and 7. 3 goes, here is 5, 1, and then 7. 5 now, 1, 1, 7, and then 7, 1, 1, 1. So that is our LCM equals 3 times 5 times 7. 3 times 5, 15. 15 times 7 is 105. Step 1, done. Now to step 2. We multiply each of the fractions by the LCM. Now we have 2 over 5 multiplied by 105. This would be 2 multiplied by 5 and 10, 2. 5 and 5, 1. And then 2 times 21 will give us 42. So the second fraction, 1 over 3 multiplied by 105. This is 1 multiplied by 3 in 10, 3, remember 1. Now in 15, that's 5. Now 35 times 1 is 35. Then the third fraction, 3 over 7 multiplied by 105. This is 3 multiplied by 7 in 10, 1, remember 3. Now in 35 is 5, that is 15. 3 times 15 will give us 45. So step 2 is done. Now to step 3, arrange your result from the biggest to the smallest. The biggest we have here is 45. That is 45 is greater than 42, which is greater than 35. Therefore, our fractions in descending order would be 3 over 7, followed by 2 over 5, followed by 1 over 3. This is how we arrange a set of fractions in descending order. Thank you.